You practice handstands. You kick up every day. You spend weeks upside down. Yet somehow, you're still stuck. The truth? Your handstand isn't failing because you're weak. It's failing because you're practicing the wrong things. Today, I'll show you the 4 biggest mistakes keeping you from your first handstand, and the simple fixes that change everything. And trust me, mistake number 3 traps almost everyone. Mistake number 1, you're treating handstands like a balance skill. Before it's a balance skill, it's a position skill. Most beginners never learn what a proper handstand should look like. They arch their back, they flare their ribs, they let their shoulders collapse. Then they wonder why they can't balance. A bad position can never create good balance. The fix? Learn the straight line first. Hands, shoulders, hips, ankles, everything stacked vertically. Master the shape before chasing the hold. Mistake number 2. You're trying to save every failed rep. When beginners start falling, they panic, they twist, they fight for survival. Every rep becomes chaos. Instead, learn how to bail safely. Cartwheel out, step out, fall correctly. Once your brain knows it's safe, your body stops being afraid, and progress becomes much faster. Mistake number 3. You're looking at the wrong thing. Most beginners constantly move their head. They look forward, they look around, they check their feet. Every movement shifts the body, and balance disappears. Instead, pick one spot between your hands. Keep your eyes there. Stay still. A stable gaze creates a stable body. Now here's a simple 5-minute routine. 1 minute, wall handstand holds. Focus on alignment. 1 minute, shoulder shrugs against the wall. Build overhead strength. 1 minute, finger pressure drills. Learn balance control. 1 minute, controlled kick-ups. Quality over quantity. Fix these 4 mistakes. Practice consistently, and your first handstand might be closer than you think. Subscribe for more bodyweight skill tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.